What's up, everybody? Brian Wagner here, PRI, and modern muscle cars are the thing. Ford, Chevrolet, Dodge. Well, we're here at the FTI booth, and we're talking to none other than Mr. Tommy Kundrick. Tommy, you guys have at FTI a new 10R80 weld together torque converter. Tell me about this new piece.
Oh, so this thing is state of the art. A lot of the companies out there are doing stuff out of the stock cores, and we've taken it to the next step. Made all new 10R80, different core, different clutch setup, mechanical diode, billet stator for the high horsepower Mustangs, F-150, 10-speed stuff.
Right on.
Taking it to that 1,500 plus horsepower stuff out of a weld together converter for the 10 speeds.
So this is for people that want to party hard when it comes to making horsepower, right?
Yeah, the heavy, high horsepower, get it done late at night kind of deal.
The things we don't talk about, right?
Right.
So it's a welded together unit, and you said this uses a non-stock core?
Non-stock core.
So let's talk about this. Does this thing come apart? Let's take a look at it. Let's lift up the skirt. What do we got here? So this is a core you guys make. What makes this converter, as we look at this, different? What are we looking at here?
So it's all furnace braced, right? So it's got everything you can do for the high horsepower stuff. It's billet. It's billet steel stator, billet steel cover. The clutch stuff has been moved to the back.
Okay.
Where all the Ford stuff, the clutch stuff seals on the front pump cover.
Okay.
This stuff seals on the billet steel cover in the back.
Is that good for extra strength and whatnot?
Yeah, handle a little more horsepower. This thing has inherently problems with the high horsepower stuff where they're having issues making the big power out of it. So we went and did a total redesign. Like I said, billet steel stator, Torrington bearings, all furnace raised, 252 millimeter.
So this thing is pretty much the definition of, if you're looking to get a custom converter for a high horsepower Ford, this is what you're looking for, really.
Yeah. There's a couple on the market. There's a bolt together out there that does very well. This would be the equivalent to that, the bolt together market, but in your welded units.
And for those at home, is this going to be something that is get focused back on me? This is my question to you. We'll go back to Tommy. Direct fit? Nothing weird needs to be done?
Direct fit, bolts up right to your stock, flex plate and transmission.
And basically this is something you can order based on your combo, so we call up FTI and say, hey, I'm doing this, and you guys can get us set up?
Yep, we got 20 different stators, angles and blade counts that we can work with your program, whether it's twin turbo, single turbo, blower, whatever.
That's going to be my question as far as power adder combos. This is beyond power adder friendly, fully customizable and shippable to your door?
Absolutely.
When is it available?
Well, right now it's in the prototype stages, right?
Okay.
We're in testing right now. I won't say prototype, let's say testing stages. We should probably know within the next 30 days on everything. Make sure we do our tweaks and get everything perfect, so we get it out there, you put it in there, and you're going from day one.
And then when people want to learn more about this and see when it's available, check out your socials and the website?
Yep, FTIperformance.com.
Perfect, Tommy. Appreciate it.
Thank you.